Hello guys, this is Paritosh and welcome to 12th video on AWS Rated R video tutorial. This is the last video on S3. Here we will discuss some theory about S3 that we have already done on hands-on, and then I will also give you a few exam tips. So let's continue. So S3 storage class or type. We have three S3 storage class which we call the standard infrequent access, or standard IA or reduced redundancy storage. We also call it RRS. So standard is the default storage class. S3 standard is designed to sustain loss of two facility concurrently. S3 IA is used to store data that is less frequently accessed but require rapid access when needed, lower cost but has retrieval fee. So RRS or reduced redundancy, designed to provide 99.99% durability and 99.99% availability per year, very low cost storage, and we can select a storage class while uploading object or can change it after. But the Glacier we use lifecycle management, so to put any object inside the Glacier we have to use lifecycle management. We cannot put any object inside the Glacier directly, so this is also important. So what about Glacier? It is very low cost and used for archive only. It has 3 to 5 hours restore time. It stores data as low as $0.0 per gigabyte per month. Now what about S3 transfer acceleration? So Amazon S3 transfer acceleration enables fast, easy and secure transfer of file over long distance between your client and S3 bucket. So what S3 transfer acceleration do? It just use CloudFront service of AWS, which uses edge location, which is distributed globally. So if suppose you want to transfer any file from Australia to America in US region, so it is a very long distance, so it will take a considerable time. So to reduce the time, what AWS has done, AWS has integrated S3 with its CloudFront service, which uses edge location. Edge location is distributed throughout the globe, and with edge location the transfer of files to the S3 or from the S3 over long distance has become very fast and easy. So it takes advantage of CloudFront globally distributed edge location. As data arrives at edge location, it gets transferred to S3 through optimized network path. Okay, so storage class. Okay guys, here I want to show a few things about the storage class and their properties. So here you can check standard infrequent access and reduced redundancy storage, durability, availability and different and other different properties. So the most important is durability and availability for the exam point of view. So a standard has 99.99 and followed by 9 times 9, so in together it is 11.9. It is easy to remember that standard storage class has 11.9 times durability, and so do standard infrequent access, but reduced redundancy storage has 4 times 9 durability. And if we talk about availability, standard storage class has 4 times 9 availability, standard infrequent access has 3 times 9 availability, and reduced redundancy storage has 4 times availability. So durability and availability of all the storage class is very important for the exam, so we need to keep this in mind. And it is very easy to remember: 11.9 durability and 4.9 availability for a standard. So this is easy way to remember it. So now we check about versioning. So versioning stores all the versions including write and delete of an object. Once you enable versioning, you can only disable it, so we cannot remove or delete versioning once it is enabled. It is a very great backup tool. Versioning has MFA deletion option to provide an additional layer of security. So MFA is multi-factor authentication, and it is very good security layer that we can provide with versioning. So just want to show you a visual diagram to understand the versioning. If we upload any file, it gets a version ID. If we update that file and upload it again, it gets another version ID. If we delete the object, it doesn't delete the object or any file, it just put a delete marker over it and store it in the same object. Okay, so this is the visual diagram that I want to show you. It will make you easily understand about versioning. So let's go to the another page. Okay, so lifecycle management. So lifecycle management, we can use lifecycle in conjunction with versioning. Policy rule can be applied to current or previous version. Transition to standard infrequent storage class can be done of the object size 128 KB and 30 days after the creation date. So we cannot transition any object to different storage class before 30 days. So transition to Glacier storage for archive, that means we can also use transition rule to send our object to Glacier storage. Permanently delete using policy rule from S3 as well as from Glacier. Okay, so what are the exam tips? So please bear in mind few of the point which is very important for the exam, like whenever we upload any bucket, we get HTTP 200 code of success. S3 standard is designed to sustain loss of two facility concurrently. Server access log for S3 bucket can be stored in the same bucket. Okay, we can upload it in different bucket also and in same bucket also. So what about data consistency? There is read after write consistency for any put of new object, that is we can say it is immediate. So if we upload any object, it is immediate. We have eventually consistency for any overwrite, put or delete, that is it can take some time. So if we delete any object or if we upload or overwrite any object, it is eventually consistent. S3 built for 99.99% availability and Amazon guarantee 99.9%. So Amazon guarantee 99.99, that is 11.9 times durability. And S3 has lifecycle management, versioning and encryption. So S3 secure data with ACL and bucket policy. So in the last we can check what charges and cost we have to pay for. So we pay for storage, we pay for request, we pay for storage management pricing, and we pay for data transferring. So okay guys, so that is all for this video. Hope you have learned something, and please like and subscribe. Keep learning and see you in the next video. Thank you.